Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new here, and if you're not, hi, hello, I missed your face. You don't get to see mine this time around. As you can see, I have an Ikea hack for you here today, and this is why I'm making this, because I have a lot of books, but I want to conceal them and not feel them because I don't want to let them show. And this is the picture of inspiration, kinda, sorta, not really, but as you can see, the price tag, $800 plus $50 for shipping. I don't think so, so we're gonna go ahead and make this ourselves. I wanted a huge console to conceal my books, and this is the idea I came up with. Kallax, Ikea, $67.99, coming through. Thank you very much. As for materials, you will need 2 pieces of wood. This is one of them at least, before I cut it to size. And then you will also need another long piece of wood that you can find in Lowe's in the dowel section. Those were fun to find. And then you will also need some clamps. I bought 2 because that's all I needed this time around. You will need some magnetic catches, whatever will keep the doors shut. And then you will also need some hinges. I chose to go with brass or gold because that's my color scheme. You will also need 4 parson legs, 6 inches. If you can find other legs, good for you. And then these, which will connect those legs to the bookshelf. You will also need some Minwax. Penetrating stain. Mine is in special walnut because walnuts are special. Then you will need some wood filler because sometimes the wood cracks and you gotta fix that. So that's what that's showing. Now here's some footage of me wiping off the door, sanding the door, you know, getting it prepped to be stained. Now, I kid you not, I do not know where that footage went. Like, I have checked my SD cards, I have checked, you know, the front lawn, I checked even at Walmart, and I went back to Ikea, and I cannot find the footage where I actually stain these doors. But just look at your stain, follow the instructions, and put it on the door. I'm sorry I lost that footage. I am so sorry, but here's extras. You know, me cleaning off the door, because, you know, that's cool. Now, here are the legs and the piece of wood I had from earlier. I chose Brilliant Gold from Krylon, and I did about 3 coats. I would suggest a primer. That would have helped a little bit with the grain. Now here's the bookshelf on its head, and again I lost footage of me putting on the bottom brackets right there, but follow the instructions, put them on the corners as you can see, and just screw those in. I'm a little bit irritated at myself. I don't know what happened to that footage. It's just magically gone. But anyway, after you get the legs on, and then you get your pieces, after they're dry obviously, because you know, you don't want to do all this when it's wet, go ahead and I just stuck them on there. I didn't screw them in or anything, because maybe I want to change it later. But that's what the door looks like when it's all stained. And then I got these door pulls from Target, so they're about $10 I want to say, not too expensive. But to place them, I just used a piece of paper, and then I measured out where I wanted them to be, and then I marked it on the piece of paper. And then after that, I flipped the piece of paper onto the other door so it's mirrored, because I obviously want the handles to be in one spot, not all weird looking. Then go ahead and drill the holes and apply the handles according to the directions, according to what kind of pulls you get. And then hinges, super easy, mark where they need to go, drill them into place. And that's it for this Ikea hack. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.